सोनल चौहान और जैकी भगनानी एक साथ फिल्म्स में तो नजर नहीं आए अब तक, बट वी डिड सी दीज टू यंगस्टर्स एट अ स्पा लॉन्च। मुंबई के एक फेमस स्पा के लॉन्च पर सोनल और जैकी यहाँ पहुँचे, where Zoom grabbed these stars in a candid chat with us, जहाँ जैकी ने बताया how important spa is in the day-to-day life.
I believe in going for a spa and also gifting if I have someone in my life or friends and all, because I think I'm too much into fitness, and my fitness trainer, forces me that once a week it is a must.
Okay.
For every person, especially if you work out, once a week is a must.
And also, Jackie said which kind of spa treatments he would prefer to have.
Your basic deep tissue massages, or your foot massages, or reflexologies, and your steam bath once a week. So it just detoxifies a lot of things.
वैसे स्पा ट्रीटमेंट से हटकर हमने जैकी से पूछा उनकी अपकमिंग फिल्म रंगरेज के बारे में, and Jackie really hopes that this film works for him at the box office.
I think all the films I've done in the past, some have done well, some have not. But I think I've heard this thing of he does roles to very close to his life, urban city boy. We want to see him perform. So I've consciously made a decision and an effort in this film where I'm playing this, local low middle class Maharashtrian boy from Lal Bagh, nowhere close to my real life or image, and purely, concentrated on a film and performance and different flavor. So I hope this works.
Moving on to Sonal Chauhan, who was a part of this spa launch event, where she said कि spa उनके लिए काफी important है.
I think it is very, very important, especially that I'm here right now. I just feel like cancelling everything that I have today and just like lie down here and get a good body massage. So I really need it right now.
वैसे for Sonal, spa treatment works as a stress buster too, as she reveals.
For me, the best way to deal with stress is by doing three things: sleeping, just standing under a hot shower, like a really hot shower for I don't know how long, as long as I can, and getting a good massage. So spa plays a very, very important part in my life to beat the stress.
Talking about stress and work, हमने सोनल से उनकी upcoming film 3G के बारे में भी पूछा as to what are her expectations with this film. To this, Sonal answered.
That's something for the audience to decide. Every time actors or anyone, like the entire team, when they get connected to a project, they always hope that it works, and I also hope that my film works. But eventually, I think it's up to the audience, and I hope that it does.
चलिए, we just hope कि आपकी फिल्म ऑडियंस को जरूर पसंद आए. For Rudrani Chaturaj, Zoom, Mumbai.